After the last video I did on the EOS M, it was suggested I try Magic Lantern again, since they said it's more stable now. Had tons of fun with it this summer, and I'm using what I think is Bilal's version of Donna's version of Crop Mood or something like that. What I've experienced so far with Magic Lantern is that I can record to the maximum of whatever my SD card is. So it's completely different than the last time I tried it, which was back in 2019. Here are some footage that I shot this summer using my EOS M and Magic Lantern.